It is the search the whole world is watching right now. Ships and planes from the U.S., Canada, and France scouring the North Atlantic for the Titanic tourist submersible, and the 5 men on board may only have a few hours of oxygen left. KCAL News reporter Joy Benedict is here following the search and joins us with the latest. Joy?
Yeah, I mean, this is something the whole world is watching, Juan, but you have to understand it takes several days to get all those ships out there to the middle of the ocean. But the U.S. Navy has some of the best systems for pulling wreckage off ocean floors. But of course, the hope is that this isn't a wreckage at all, which makes the urgency incredible for search crews. More ships, more planes, more searching, as the race is on to find the 5 men missing somewhere below the surface of the North Atlantic Ocean.
This is a search and rescue mission, 100%. We are smack dab in the middle of search and rescue. 5
ships are looking now, 8 more expected Thursday, and a deep diving robot that can operate on the ocean floor. But with oxygen dwindling, so is time. As the Titan submersible launched Sunday, promising a view of the Titanic wreckage, and disappeared. The only hope? Tapping noises heard Tuesday and Wednesday morning, but experts don't know where they're coming from.
Human sounds, nature sounds, and it's very difficult to discern what the source of those noises are at times.
On board, the company's CEO and 4 adventurers.
And we're really all praying and hoping that Shahzada and the other crew members will see this through.
Those who know them are staying positive.
I also know Shahzada to be an optimist. He's somebody who doesn't stop in the face of adversity. It's that strength of character that he has that gives me real hope that Shahzada is going to see this through.
It said the search area is 2 times the state of Connecticut, but experts say the concentration is likely much smaller, but unfortunately 2.5 miles below surface, where few vehicles, manned or unmanned, can go.
So most likely it's on the bottom. And again, the currents aren't that great down here, so most likely it's pretty close to the area where they descended to.
But why it fell and can no longer surface is what is truly terrifying for those who know the depth of the ocean.
The reason it's still on the bottom is that, it might have had an electrical failure. They might not have been able to offload ballast on it to help it raise. It might be caught under something, or it could have crushed, had a structural failure.
Now, the vessel's oxygen supply may run out tomorrow. The Coast Guard commander in Boston, who is leading the search, said today, we need to have more hope. And don't forget, Juan, that just finding this vessel isn't enough. They have to find it, they've got to rig it, they got to pull it to the ocean floor, and they have to unseal it all before time runs out.
That takes time, that takes oxygen, and that's where we're at right now.
Yeah, finding it's not enough.
Yep. All right, Joy, thank you so much, and we'll continue to follow the search throughout the night here. All right, coming